The extreme power to fuel incredible speed is here. Say hi to the most powerful Redmi ever, the all-new Redmi K50i, an incredible smartphone that raises the bar for power to make your every experience extremely breezy. So what exactly makes Redmi K50i stand apart? Well, as they say, the strength lies at the very core. Redmi K50i is fueled by the extremely powerful MediaTek Dimensity 8100 flagship processor. This supremely power-efficient TSMC 5nm processor lets you swiftly shuffle between multiple apps at once without draining any battery. Boosted with LPDDR5, the fastest RAM on a smartphone, Redmi K50i sets new standards of multitasking. So be it work or play, everything happens way faster on the incredible Redmi K50i. So you can watch a movie, pay the Wi-Fi bill, book a cab, order some food, and post that update simultaneously. Truly global 12-band 5G for seamless and faster internet connectivity anywhere and everywhere around the world. With Liquid Cool 2.0, Redmi K50i beats the heat, no matter how extensively you use it. The 2,268mm square super big vapor chamber, along with the 7-layer graphite sheet, guarantees that even heat won't catch up to your speed. Feel extreme responsiveness with every tap on Redmi K50i. Its X-axis vibration motor reaches new heights of haptic feedback, making your smartphone experience even more incredible. The big 6.6-inch FHD Plus screen with 144Hz Liquid FFS Display gives a top-notch viewing experience. This 7-stage adaptive sync display intelligently adjusts its refresh rate depending on the content being viewed on the screen to make your viewing experience extremely smooth. The viewing on Redmi K50i is grand and vivid, courtesy 100% DCI P3 gamut coverage. The 20:9.5 aspect ratio pushes the cinematic scope while watching content to bring you a full-screen display. Redmi's first display, powered by Dolby Vision, brings true-to-life picture quality to your smartphone. Dolby Vision brings ultra-vivid colors, sharper contrasts, and richer details. And that's not all. Redmi K50i also comes with dual stereo speakers and Dolby Atmos support. You can feel the audio flow around you, making for a complete multimedia experience. To make it outlast your day, Redmi K50i is packed with an incredible 5080 mAh battery. Give this powerful battery a full day's charge in just 15 minutes. With the 67-watt dual split fast charger that comes in box. Seize every moment with its 64-megapixel primary camera, and a bit more with the 8-megapixel ultra-wide camera, and the slightest details with the 2-megapixel macro camera. By capturing everything in such incredible detail, Redmi K50i brings pictures to life. The 16-megapixel front camera ensures perfect selfies and HD video calling. The latest Imagiq 780 ISP transforms your behind-the-camera experience with the fastest, clearest HDR photos and videos. MIUI 13 brings faster storage, higher background process efficiency, smarter processing, and longer battery life to the device. With Redmi K50i's Corning Gorilla Glass 5 protection, you don't have to worry about accidental falls or unwanted scratches anymore. The IR Blaster cuts out the need for multiple remotes of different devices. And for the audiophiles and gamers alike, the 3.5mm headphone jack gives an uninterrupted, no latency and high-quality audio experience. All these ports are rubberized, corrosion-proof, and don't allow water to penetrate through them. From amazing performance, brilliant display and mighty battery, to blazing fast charging, stunning design and sharp cameras, Redmi K50i is incredible on every front. The ultimate power to meet your need for incredible speed is here. The all-new Redmi K50i. Live extreme.